POR15 Engine Enamel System. Cracking product, this one. Brushes out really, really nicely. Self-levels, doesn't look like it's been brushed, but if you are going to spray it, 1.3, 1.4 setup in your spray gun. Only thin it up to 5-10% by volume, really, but you must use the POR15 solvent because I've tried this with other solvents and it does curdle a little bit. So always use the POR15 solvent. Like I said, if you're brushing it, absolutely fantastic. Brushes out gorgeously. So again, it's the same sort of system, if you will, for all the other POR15 products that we do. Your first two steps are always the cleaner degreaser, highly concentrated, dilute that with hot water. So depending on the state of the block, if it's really oily, really greasy, you might want to go first with a 1-to-1 mixing ratio with hot water. It's not too bad, maybe 3-4 parts water to 1 part cleaner degreaser, but you must make sure that that block is clean. That's the most important bit. Then essentially your metal prep is your primer, and like I always say, just pour it into a plastic bottle with a trigger spray attachment, spray it onto the block and leave it 40-50 minutes. You want to imbue the surface with the zinc phosphate, it looks like blue water. Once you've done that, you must remove it. So either a bucket of water and a sponge, or if you've got the facility, a hose pipe, you must remove it. Then make sure that the block is dry, obviously. And then you're on with your paint. Now if you're brushing it, one coat normally suffices because the opacity is excellent. It's available in a range of colours, and those colours are on the website. And they are colour specific to some vehicles over a period of years, but it doesn't give you the information on the website. And like I said, if you are going to put it through a spray gun, 1.3, 1.4 setup is ideal, with a 5-10% mixing ratio by volume in your cup. That is it. It is a great system, it's easy to use, and it is super durable. Thank you.